Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this excellent example of the Ignis SZ5. So 1.2 litre mild hybrid. No need to plug the vehicle in. The battery runs alongside the engine, so you've got a small lithium ion battery that will charge itself. This gives you excellent MPG of 65 plus miles to the gallon. This particular vehicle is finished in the black pearl. As we can see, the previous owner has opted for the decal set, as well as the upgraded wing mirror covers and bezels, as we can see there. It's in excellent condition. We originally sold the vehicle and it's been serviced with us every year from new. You've got the silver roof rails running down the side there, and as you can see, the black alloys and black tints which tie in particularly nice with the black pearl paintwork. Rear spoiler, also an optional extra that the previous owner opted for, and again ties in with the decals and the bezels. The vehicle's done just under 22,000 miles from new. The SZ5 has an excellent spec, so we'll take a look inside the vehicle next. So you've got keyless entry as well as keyless start. Like the exterior, the interior is in great condition, being very well maintained. Steering wheel has leather trim and controls for speed limiter and cruise control, as well as audio controls. Again, in keeping with the exterior, you've got the upgraded bezels. It's tying very nicely with the decals. In-car entertainment is a 7-inch colour touchscreen. Here you'll find reverse camera, DAB digital radio, Garmin sat-nav, as well as Apple and Android CarPlay. The Bluetooth features voice command and also allows you to stream your own music. Underneath that, full climate control with digital display. Handy USB charging point for your mobile devices. Now in the rear of the vehicle, there's 2 seats rather than 3, but this allows you to slide the rear seats forward, giving it an excellent boot space. The Ignis is known for its brilliant ease of access and practicality. So there you have it, the Ignis SZ5 mild hybrid. So you've got all the latest hybrid technology as well as a great spec. As always, before leaving, the vehicle will come with a service and MOT, and there is a technician's appraisal video available on our website, so I'd encourage you to watch that. Thank you.